So whenever you are trying to, close this R Studio, you will get one prompt, right? Do you want to save dot R data? Do you want to save dot R history? Like that you might have seen. So what is this dot R data or dot R history is? This dot R data is like a database, okay, small file. It will store all the variables which you have created in that like temporarily. So whenever you want to rerun this particular program, so if you have stored that values in that particular dot R data, so it will automatically load it into our workspace. Okay, whenever you are opening, automatically from that R data it will reopen. If you are not saving it means next time if you are opening means it will start from the fresh. Okay, similarly dot R history, what it will do is it will store all the line of code which you have executed. Okay, so that if you want to rerun, if you want to check what are the lines you have given, you can take it from there. If I try to close it means it will prompt, right? See, here it is prompting dot R data and then data 3 R base dot R. This is whatever I typed, that is a text file, and here you can see the R data. Okay, where all the workspace image will be stored. Next time if I'm opening, automatically it will be loaded. Okay, similar like history. So here it is not showing. I will see here it is showing. In the home it is showing, right? R data and then R history. So if I click the R history means from here you can see, okay, whatever it is stored there. So why it is showing only three things from, right, till now I'm running lot of things, right? Why it is not showing is I haven't saved it. I have completed the process. Once I have completed and saving it, then only it will be stored to the RST. Next time when I'm opening all the commands which I have executed in the previous session, you can able to access it. So another thing, if you have noticed in R is each time when I'm selecting some set of files, right, and then I'm running it either through Control Enter or using the run command. Every line whichever I'm selected, it is coming to the console, and then only it is showing the output, right? So what is actually happening here is everything will be run through the console only. Okay, this text editor, what it will do is whichever line you are selecting, that will be copied to the console. Then from the console only output will be running. Not like Python ideally. In Python ideally you will have two environment. In the script part, if you are storing the value and saving it and running means it will be executed in that shell part, right? So this is not the case in R. Everything is executed in the console part only. That is why when you are installing R also, it will be redirecting directly to the console terminal only. Okay, here R is there, right? It is not showing any text data. Directly it is going to the console part only. Here also, when you are trying to quit, it is asking previously saved workspace restored. It is showing. In case first time if you are opening means, it will ask, do you want to save? Okay, or yes, no, cancel, like that it will ask. Okay, this is another thing about console.